All right. So good evening once again and welcome to our opportunity and product presentation of Freeway International. I am Vanessa Roses, one of the Diamond 3-star and doing this advocacy for more than 3 years. All right. So before I begin, I would like to give you a background about our company. So Freeway, it is a Singaporean company that originated in Singapore 15 years ago with the mission of showing you the right way. So this is our founder, Dr. Lim Boon Hong. All right. So he started Riwi in Singapore 15 years ago. But after 15 years, we are now 15, no? There are 15 countries worldwide na po na merong Riwi office. So one of which is Philippines. So in Philippines, it started 7 years ago. So baby pa po ang office here in Riway, Philippines. All right. Now, even though we are 15 years na in the market existing, did you know that we have only one single product? So saan ka makakakita ng company na isa lang po yung product? Lalo-lalo na if food supplement, tama? So later on, I will discuss about it more in details. Now, this is the report that came from World Health Organization. This is the top 10 killers. Okay? So, ang sabi ni World Health Organization or WHO, you can commit crime, no? Or you can be sentenced to death without committing any crime. Papaano? Pag nagkaroon ka ng any of these diseases. As you can see, no, number 1 pa rin yung heart disease, no, followed by stroke. Yan. So, these are the diseases, no, na as of this time, wala pa talaga siyang totally cure. And we acquire those diseases because of 4 factors. Number 1 is aging population. Number 2, wrong diet. Number 3 is inevitable stress. And lastly, pollution. So yung 4 na yun ang nagkukos bakit tayo nagkakasakit. And yung ating medical science, they already reach yung tinatawag na bottleneck crisis. Ibig sabihin, up to this time, wala pa po talaga silang naibibigay na total cure for all these diseases. Kaya nga, patuloy siyang tumataas, no? Tumataas yung numbers, no, of population that is being affected by these diseases. Now, whenever we go to our medical doctors, for example, meron kang diabetes. Ayan, number 6 po pala yung diabetes. Kapag pupunta tayo sa doktor magpapa-check up at meron kang diabetes, ang binibigay sa atin are only maintenance medicine. Hindi siya talaga totally na gagaling, no, yung iyong diabetes. And this maintenance medicine, alam natin that these are synthetically made. Now, in the long term that we are taking those maintenance medicine, there are organs inside our body na naapektuhan, tama ba? Kaya maraming mga patients na nag-start with 1 maintenance medicine and then 2, 3 hanggang 5, no? Hanggang sobrang dami na, no? Sobrang dami na po ng maintenance medicine. I have a personal client na 24 ang medication niya in a day, no? So isa rin 'yun sa mga i-share kong testimonial story later, how this amazing product of Freeway was able to help him. All right? Now, no? Tama na tayo sa bad news, no? Kasi puro na tayo bad news the whole day. Ngayon, I have also good news for you that it became the recent medical science breakthrough, the discovery of stem cell. All right? Now, ano po ba ang stem cell? Stem cell is the most basic form of all living things. Our body is made up of stem cell. Whether you believe it or not, as you can see, on the screen, showing on the diagram below, before a baby is born, nagsimula siya, no, in one single stem cell. One sperm cell and ovum unite, no, yung stem cell, yung first stem cell, yun yung tinatawag na mother stem cell. And it undergo into duplication until blastocyst and form into different types of stem cells. Now, the question is, if our body is made of stem cells, kung ang katawan natin ay gawa sa cells, alright? Ano yung ginagawa natin whenever our body needs to be repaired? Ano yung ginagawa natin whenever our body needs to recover? No, 'di ba usually nagte-take agad tayo ng mga maintenance medicine or synthetic medicine. Kasi yun na yung very very fast, no? Fast facing na kasi tayo. We are living in a fast paced living world, no? Kaya mabilisan lagi, instant. Pag masakit ang ulo, inom agad ng gamot, no? But nakakalimutan natin that our body has the capacity to heal itself kapag our body is healthy. Kasi ang trabaho ng stem cell inside our body is to repair. Okay, for example, in your house right now, meron po kayong dining table, and your dining table is made out of wood, no? Gawa siya sa kahoy. Kapag yung dining table nyo sa bahay ay nasira, nabutas, ano po ba yung gagamitin natin na pang-repair dun sa butas para maibalik siya dun sa original form niya? Diba? Kahoy din po yung gagamitin natin. Tama ba? Pero pag nilagyan mo yan ng plastic, no? Hindi siya totally ma-repair. Okay? For quite some time lang, pero eventually nandun pa rin yung butas. Tama po ba? Ganon din with our body. If hindi tama yung way of method of treatment natin in our body, nagiging pansamantala yung mga treatment na ginagawa. Kaya eventually, yung isang butas, lumalaki ng lumalaki ng lumalaki at dumadami. Okay, so now, na-discover ang stem cell na kapag ginamit siya into our body, it will have unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries and close to miraculous abilities. So, ano yung miraculous abilities na yon? Alright? These are the write-ups that talks about the miracle of stem cell. Alright? So, ang sabi nito, stem cell therapy to treat diabetes, AIDS patient, no, natulungan ng stem cells. Meron din dito cancer, natulungan din ng stem cell. Meron din dito stem cells and autism, no, yung may bata na may autism, natulungan din siya ng stem cell. So, ang dami po, napakadami na po ng mga testimonials worldwide ang stem cells. That's why pag sinasabi, or share natin about stem cell, alam na po ng iba na these are really very, very, very good, no, sa katawan ng tao. Now, as you can see on the screen, makita mo 100 Chinese, 50 Chinese, no? What do you mean by that? A 100-year-old man over a body of 50. So this man is already 100 years old, no? Na-publicize po siya. Pero he looks like 50 years old. Paano po nangyari yon? That is because of the reverse aging. Kasi when you are taking stem cells, ang gagawin ng stem cells inside your body, gagawin niya pong bata, no? Gagawin niya pong bata lahat ng organs mo inside your body. So kung magiging bata yung heart mo, magiging bata yung cells ng lungs mo, magiging bata yung cells ng kidney mo. All of your body parts from head to toe. It will also reflect outside, no? Kasi babata at pabata ka po talaga whether you like it or not. Now, since maganda po ang stem cell sa katawan ng tao, how do we get, no? How do we acquire in this time? So these are the methods of receiving stem cell today, but these are all through injections, okay? So through injections po ang stem cell. The first one is the placenta injection in Switzerland. So ang kailangan mong gawin if you want to avail this one, Of course, number one, you have to prepare at least 5 million pesos, no? Para pumunta ka po dyan. Kasi sobrang mahal po ng stem cell injection dyan. But one of the mostly mga rich and famous ang nakaka-avail dyan, like sila Erap, Enrile, no? Mga Marcoses, no? And all the mga talagang mga politicians and mga even mga artista, Hollywood artists, dyan sila nagpupunta. For quite some time, bigla silang mawawala, no? On the screen. Tapos after 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, balik sila. Tapos sobrang bata na ng itsura nila. So dyan sila nagpupunta in Switzerland to have the stem cell injection. But this is really expensive. I have said nga, minimum kailangan mo ng 5 million pesos. So hindi na natin no, kayang ma-avail. So X na tayo dyan. Pangalawa is the stem cell transplant. Paano naman po ito? This is a process wherein the surgeon or the medical doctor will directly inject the stem cell in the part of our body that needed it. For example, a leukemia patient, no? Ang patient na may leukemia is may problem with the bone marrow, no? Kailangan niya ng bone marrow transplant. So, ang gagawin nila, no? They will need a donor na compatible, no? Dun sa doon sa mag-accept nung bone marrow. And then, they will inject directly dun sa spinal, no? Dun sa pinaka-buto natin. But this is really expensive and painful kasi you will undergo the procedure without anesthesia. Sobrang sakit po niya, no? Kaya sobrang sakit. Masakit na sa bulsa, masakit pa po sa katawan ng pasyente. Alright? Now, kung yung pangalawa, central transplant, no, hindi natin kayang ma-avail, hindi po pwedeng ma-avail. Pangatlo, baka pwede natin. Ito naman yung cord blood banking. So this is open for mothers na pwede pang manganak or manganganak. Pag nanganak sila, they have the option, yung kanilang pusod, no, pusod ni baby, they have the option na pwede nilang ipabangko. Di ba may mga iBank, may blood bank. Okay, ngayon meron naman tayong cord blood bank wherein po pwede mo doon ipabangko, i-deposit para ma-preserve yung stem cell nyo ni baby. So that in the event na magkakasakit si mommy or si baby, meron na po kayong naka-reserve na stem cell for you. So all you need to do is to get the stem cell na pina-reserve natin, pina-preserve natin, pina-bank natin, and then they will process it sa laboratory. Pag ready na, i-inject kay mommy or si baby or kahit sa kanino sa kanilang dalawa that needed the stem cell, and then 100% they will recover. That is the power of the stem cell. Okay, Miss Van, hindi na ako pwedeng manganak. So hindi na ako po pwede dyan. And other things to consider is sobrang mahal din po nito, no? Every year need to pay, no? Mga more or less 1 million po ang bayad po dyan. Now, pang-apat, we have also placenta injection naman in beauty salon, okay? So, as I am saying always, that in facial clinics, beauty salon, this is really the scariest place na makakuha ka ng stem cell. Kasi nga, we are not aware kung saan galing yung stem cell na yun. And there is also non-professional concern. Kasi baka yung gagawa sa'yo is hindi talaga siya licensed to do it. No? Only medical doctor is licensed to do a stem cell injection. Alright? So, very, very, very dangerous yan. Now, sabi rito, if you have a healthy lifestyle, you will have the benefit of stem cell. Kasi sabi ko nga, our body is made up of stem cells. Nung pinanganak tayo, we have 100% stem cell inside our body. As we mature, as we grow older, times goes by, bumababa po yung numbers of stem cell inside our body. Kaya habang tumatanda tayo, tumatagal po yung ating recovery whenever nagkakaroon tayo ng sakit. Tama po ba? Do you experience that? Compare mo sa mga bata, no? Yung mga bata, ang bilis nilang mag-recover. Alright? Now, if you can maintain a healthy lifestyle, maraming stem cells ang pwedeng ma-generate ng katawan mo. Okay, now let's define a healthy lifestyle. Number 1 is you exercise every day, at least 10 minutes every day. Kaya po ba? Check po ba yan? Pangalawa is you are taking health supplement, vitamins every day. Yan po pwede pa natin gawin. Pangatlo, kailangan daw laging nakasmile. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na-stress. Kasi pag na-stress ka, no, pati yung cells mo na-stress, so nadadamage din yung cells natin. And yung stress is one of the cause ba't tayo nagkakaroon ng sakit. Okay? And having healthy lifestyle, kailangan yung kinakain natin are all organic. Ibig sabihin, from farm to table, no? Walang preservatives, hindi kumakain ng mga from the fast food, hindi kumakain ng may mga preservative, okay? So, sabi ko nga kanina, we are living in a very fast-paced, no, world right now. Kaya maraming instant. Kaya having a healthy lifestyle is really ineffective, no? You need a lot of persistency para magawa mo yung healthy lifestyle. So medyo challenging po ito, tama? And of course, sa healthy lifestyle, kailangan mo rin ng budget for that. Okay? Pero sabi nga nila po, no, is investing in our health is the best investment or the best gift you can give to your body or to yourself. Now, yung last po is adult stem cells banking. Parang parehas po siya ng cord blood banking na pwede kang reserve, no? Magpa-extract ka ng own stem cells mo, pero hanggang age 25 years old ka lang. Kasi kung may edad ka na magpapabank ka ng stem cells, may edad na rin yung cells mo, no? Hindi na rin siya magiging effective. Pero it will cost you a lot, no? It will cost you a lot from that method pa rin. No? Now, ang tanong dito, is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way? Kasi since maganda po ang stem cells, and lahat ng methods, lalo na injectables, are sobrang mamahal. It will cost you millions. Kaya, Rio International already answered the question, is there any convenient, effective, and much more affordable way? Now, this is the oral capsule modern technology. So meaning to say, there is a technology behind the production or the how it was made, no? So ito yung technology na ginamit po ng Rio International to make it possible and successfully mailagay sa capsule yung live stem cell, no, inside the capsule. So ito po yung technology na ginamit. The first one is the supercritical extraction. Supercritical extraction is the method wherein they extract all the ingredients na sobrang ingat sa bawat ingredients ng product. Okay, so yung aming product, which is the oral stem cell, the main ingredient is the live stem cell coming from the deer. Alright, so yun po yung source ng stem cell. Okay? And since from the deer, kaya po yung manufacturing plant is nakalagay po or doon located sa New Zealand. Doon po ginagawa yung product. So ano itong supercritical extraction? It efficiently and cleanly separate and extract from components while maintaining up to 99% of its biological activity. So meaning to say, na-extract nga yung designated na ingredients into certain, for example, one of the ingredient of our product is from the strawberry. And ang kinuha sa white strawberry is nucleic lavem. Alright? So, napapanatili, na-maintain yung biological activity. Ibig sabihin, live. Okay? Live stem cells coming from the white strawberry. So, parang kumain ka talaga ng strawberry, no? Hindi siya dried or something juice. 99% biological activity. And then, pangalawa is the freeze-drying technology. So, nasabi ko kanina that the main ingredient of the product is coming from the deer, no? Sa farm in New Zealand, pag may nanganak na deer, they will just harvest the placenta and they will put inside the freeze dryer, no? And live cells can be preserved and maintained bioactive for 3 to 4 years. Para pag nilagay sa capsule, no, ma-protect yung live cell and it will ensure na malalagay sa capsule, maiinom natin na buhay po yung live stem cell. So no need an injectable. Inom ka lang no ng capsule, meron ka ng live stem cell. Pangatlo is we have also nitrogen-filled technology, meaning to say, there is a cold gas, malamig na gas inside the capsule, edible gas po ito, that will prevent oxidation which will make placenta live cells rancid. Since there is a live stem cell, kailangan maintain yung atmosphere, yung temperature inside the capsule. So, meaning to say, our product, hindi mo na kailangan ilagay sa refrigerator kasi meron na siyang cold gas inside the capsule. Basta store it in a room temperature without any direct heat of sunlight, okay na po siya. Alright? Now, the fourth one is the enteric coated technology. So, meaning to say, there is a special coating no, na nilagay po ginamit sa capsule that can withstand stomach acidity. No, bakit kailangan niyang withstand? Ibig sabihin, kaya niyang labanan yung stomach acid. Pag ininom natin siya, hindi siya matutunaw sa stomach. Dadaan lang po siya doon and naka-design siya na ma-dissolve in your small intestine to maximize absorption. Kasi lahat po ng iniinom natin na gamot, maintenance medicine man yan, vitamins man yan, kapag po wala siyang enteric coated or special coating, natutunaw po siya sa stomach. And kapag natunaw sa stomach, only 10% lang po ang na-absorb ng katawan natin. Yung 90% napupunta sa kidney. Alright? So, if may mga kakilala po kayo na nagda-dialysis, may problema sa kidney, chronic kidney disease, this is the safest na food supplement na iinumin ng isang may problema sa kidney. Why? Kasi hindi na po siya dadaan sa kidney. Okay? Hindi siya mag-iiwan ng any remnant sa kidney. Hindi makikita yan ng doktor kasi from your small intestine, it will be absorbed na po yun, diretso na po yun sa bloodstream. Alright? Now, the fourth one is the emulsification technology. Ibig sabihin lang po nito, there is a technology that it allows yung stem cell and all the ingredients can penetrate kahit gaano ka-narrow, gaano kaliit yung veins sa brain and at the back of your eyes, di ba may mga veins doon na sobrang kahit gasinulid, no? Yung ano niya, yung size niya. Kahit gaano kaliit yon yung daanan, it can penetrate, it can be soluble as water. So ganun po ka-high-tech yung technology na ito. It can transform no, into smaller molecules. Now, the last one is the biosoftgel technology. It ensures that the effective ingredients dissolve rapidly in the small intestine, boosting the absorption rate of the bioactive nutrients. Alright? So, dun na po siya natutunaw sa inyong small intestine. With this 6 amazing, very advanced technology that is derived from Germany, I would like to present to you our product for tier, which is already in 7th edition. Alright? Now, there is an ancient sayings of there is treasure in a deer, sabi nga po, no? And the reason why our company, our CEO, Dr. Lim Boon Hong, choose, no, the live stem cell from the placenta is because deer is honored with the name of divine beast. With a strong and majestic body, a deer is believed to have humane soul and is able to distinguish quality from bad pasturates. So, ibig sabihin, ang deer ang pinaka-cleanest mammal in the world kasi they are very picky eater. Wala silang gallbladder, so they need to eat fresh green grasses alone. And kapag papakainin mo sila ng something may toxic, hindi nila yun kakainin kasi they can sense, they can distinguish na it is bad for them. Kaya hindi nila kakainin yon. So that is the nature of fear. And from antler to its tail, ginagamit po yan into food supplement po. No? In our company, ang ginamit po, lalo na sa 7th edition, is the live stem cell from the placenta. We have also stem cell from the velvet or yung dun sa antler, yung sungay, yung pinaka-tip ng sungay ng usa. Alright? Now, this is the reason why we have only one single product for the past 15 years. But every now and then, nag-undergo siya ng upgrade. No? Parang ano yan, parang it's like iPhone, di ba? Nag-start sa iPhone 1, 2, 3 hanggang 8, iPhone 14 na ngayon, tama? They have only one product but ina-upgrade nila depending upon the trend of the technology. Ganon din with Riwi International. Ina-upgrade, ina-update yung product depending upon the trend of the need natin, no? The need for our health. Whenever they will discover na magandang ingredients or magandang technology like the supercritical extraction. And for your information, ladies and gentlemen, Riwi International is the first and only company that is using supercritical extraction kasi sobrang mahal po nun. It will cost you $1 billion. Okay? Now, from 2008, ito po yung evolution of our product. No? As of now, ang available in the office is the 6th edition 4th-year placenta. But you can purchase ahead yung 7th edition. So para pag nagkaroon na po ng stocks, no, ng 7th edition, kayo po yung one of the first na makaka-try ng 7th edition. And no, ito na yung clinical proven patented ingredients. So I'm really proud, no, that our product has clinical proven patented ingredients. So ang patented is ibig sabihin po ng patent, only Riway can use these ingredients. Exclusive lang po kay Riway. Now, para ma-approve yung patent na ito, they need to undergo clinical tests. Millions of clinical tests po ang pinagdaanan ng lahat ng ingredients. Okay? And the first one, the clinical proven patented ingredients is the Cervicenta. Before, dun sa mga editions, yung stem cell na kinukuha sa deer, which is from the placenta, wala po siyang name. Hindi po pinangalanan, okay? So, since 15 years na ang Riway, naka-build ng magandang credibility sa market. Maraming mga users, maraming mga testimonials, maraming naniniwala with the product. So, marami ring gumagaya sa Riway International that is claiming that they have the same product as we have, pero mas mura. Tama ba? Kasi gano'n naman talaga eh. Pag maganda yung product mo, marami talagang gagaya. Kung hindi maganda yan, walang gagaya dyan. Tama po. Parang parang mga branded bags. LV, na mga Gucci, di ba? Ang gaganda nila pero sobrang mahal. Pero kung gusto mo magkaroon ng LV, no, mga class A, mga ganyan, replica, mirror copy, meron. Tama? Pero hindi yun original. No? Ganon din with our product. Now, since may mga companies na gumagamit na po ng stem cell from the deer placenta, ang ginawa po ng ating CEO na si Dr. Lim Bunhong, nilagyan niya na ngayon ng patent rights. Ibig sabihin, no other company, no single company can use placenta from deer, no? Deer stem cells from placenta, no other company can use that as their ingredients. So yung mga nagki-claim na mga companies, local companies na the same sila ng ingredients with Riway, since meron na pong patent ingredients, yung 7th edition, next year, I don't know kung saan sila kukuha ng stem cell. No, baka mamaya sa butiki na sila kukuha. Kasi nga naka ano na po ito, exclusive na po yung Cervicenta sa Leeway. So yung Cervicenta, this is the stem cell na nakuha po doon sa placenta ng deer. So yun yung first source of the stem cell. The second one is this is the Velvicenta. Velvicenta, ibig sabihin, from the antler sungay po ng isa, yung sungay ng usa, yung tip po yung kinuha. Alright? Kasi it was discovered na yung tip ng tip ng sungay ng usa, there is the most number of stem cell kasi it is best in regenerating. Kasi pag napuputol yan, tumutubo at tumutubo lang po siya. Kasi there is stem cell po. Kaya doon sa clinical test na ginawa, they extract 2 to 3 slices of the most prized deer antler tip kasi sobrang mahal po niyan, which contain the most stem cells. Stem cells form the deer antler combined with the stem cells from the deer placenta. So pinag-combine na yung 2 to 3 slices na antler tip, doon sa stem cell from the placenta, it can duplicate into small deer in a clinical lab. So what do you mean by that? So yung ingredients na yon nandun sa capsule. So yung product natin is really specialized in regenerating. So yung regenerating cells inside our body, regenerating yung ating mga organs that are not really that functioning. So double yung stem cells na po ang ingredients niya. Now, pangatlo, meron din tayong N-ginseng, okay? This is a kind of ginseng, but this is very different. Far apart from other ginseng na ginagamit sa kape, di ba? May mga ginseng na ginagamit sa coffee, may mga ginagamit sa mga food supplements. But this is far apart. Sabi ko nga, apart, far pa, doble, di ba? Sobrang layo po niya with the other normal ginseng. Why? Because this was planted in New Zealand volcanic soil that has more than 20% of ginsenoside, and it is clinical proven more than 70% absorbed into cells. Alright? And then, because of that, dahil itong N-ginseng na to is tinanim po siya sa volcanic soil in New Zealand, it is 150 times more effective compared to others. Not 2 times, not 3 times, not 10 times, but 150 times. Okay? Ginsenoside can prevent tumor, inflammation, and many other benefits. So maganda po ang ginseng sa body, yung ating stamina, yung energy, okay? So lahat na po yan, no? Now, pang-apat po na clinical proven patented, okay? Pag sinabing patented, ulitin ko po, only Riwe International has the right to use these ingredients in our product. Axertone, ano po tong Axertone? If you are familiar with Reshigano, yung mga mushroom, so yung mushroom pala na yon nagre-regenerate siya, nagkakaroon siya ng sanga or sungay. So yun po yung antler lingsi, yung pinakasungay, parang sungay din po siya ng usa. And this is the prized possession among lingsi. Ito yung pinakamahal. And ito yung ginagawang regalo po sa mga hari at reyna, mga royal blood. Yan yung pinangregalo kasi ang ginagawa nito sa katawan is dinidelay niya yung aging ng mga organs. Okay? Ang ang pinaka-specialization nito is binabantayan niya yung aging ng organs natin. So, dinidelay niya yung aging. So, what do you mean by that? Meron na tayong live stem cell that will replace yung mga old cells inside our body. So, magiging baby cells. You have also Axertone that will delay that will delay yung aging ng cells natin, aging ng organs natin. And andito rin no, nakalagay din po na clinically proven to prevent cardiovascular disease. So when you say cardiovascular, sa heart, meron din siyang antibacterial, antioxidation, anti-aging, and anti-hypertensive, and many more benefits. Alright? And then last patent ingredients is the nucleoclavem. Ito yung the one and only patent ingredients natin before with the 6th edition. Now with the 7th edition, we have 5 patented ingredients. Now, what is the importance of nucleoclavem? Nucleoclavem is specially extracted in white strawberry that is found in Awaji Island in Japan. And it activates many capabilities inside our body. So one of those is yung inflammation. Alam niyo po ba na from sipon hanggang cancer, nagsimula po yan sa inflammation of the cell. So if you have a natural supply of anti-inflammatory na galing po siya sa strawberry, nasa cells mo pa lang, paumpisa pa lang, meron na pong meron ng solution, meron ng nag-a-address. Kumbaga, usok pa lang, may pumupuksa na. So, hindi na siya nagde-develop into more serious and chronic diseases. And according to the study, it can also increase immunity, okay? Lalo na yung may mga cancer cells, kailangan nila mataas. Mataas po yung kanilang immune system. It also kills cancer cells and lower cancer genes. Alright, so yan po yung one of the main benefit of nucleoclavem. And ladies and gentlemen, kung titingnan nyo, sa 5 pa lang na ingredients na ito, sobrang ganda na po ng gagawin yan inside our body. And take note, these are all natural ingredients. Wala po dyan na synthetic medicine. And ang good news, hindi lang po yun ang ingredients ng aming product, ng Fortier. We have also additional fucoidan, which is sourced in Japan also. And according to Japan Cancer Institute, it can kill millions of cancer cells in just 24 hours. Ganun po siya kabagsik. Alright? It induces apoptosis in cancer cells. For all the medical, may mga medical background dyan, you will understand the term apoptosis or self-death sa cancer cells. Alright, now we have also apple polyphenol. Polyphenol yung kinuha in the apple. And it also known as high in antioxidant, lower blood pressure, prevents heart disease. Sabi nga, one apple a day keeps the doctor away. How about if I will tell you, ladies and gentlemen, na yung isang capsule of Fortier, meron siyang 100 apples in nutrients. Alright? So kung lahat, imagine niyo po, lahat ng tao sa mundo ay nagtitake ng Fortier, marami pong hospital ang magsasara. No joke, totoo po yun. Alright? Kasi ito yung the secret doon sa ating immunity, yung sa katawan ng tao. Alright? Now, meron din siyang additional lycopene. This is from tomato, of course, which is very high in antioxidant. It also regulates cholesterol, prevents cardiovascular disease, sa heart pa rin yan, regulates cell growth and metabolism, nakakatulong din yan. And meron din siyang additional marine collagen, nasa baba na po ako, marine collagen. Marine collagen, pag sinabing collagen, usually ang naisip natin sa collagen is pampaganda ng balat, pampabata, right? But collagen, this is very good. Marine collagen, this is very good for those people that are experiencing or suffering from osteoarthritis, arthritis, mga degenerative diseases. All right? So yun yung joints kasi natin is made up of collagen. Kaya there is also marine collagen, that strengthen the tissue functions in our body. Now we have also evening primrose oil. provides multiple therapeutic functions. Napakadami pong nito. Napakadami niyang benefits, but I will only highlight few. Number one, it serves as the blood thinner. Okay, pampalabnaw ng dugo. Alright? Pangalawa is maganda po siya sa reproductive system naming mga babae. Okay? Dun sa mga nasa post-menopausal, pre-menopausal, and mga menopause. Maganda po yan sa ating reproductive system. It also helps sa ating premenstrual syndrome. Lalo na yung mga kakaranas that is suffering from painful menstruation. So, ganun po ako since I started having my menstruation, I always have this very, very painful dysmenorrhea since I was teenager until kahit nung nanganak ako, meron pa rin akong nagdi-dysmenorrhea pa rin ako. But when I started and finished my 6 months therapy, the pain was gone. Kapag nagkakaroon ako ng menstruation, hindi ko namamalayan na meron na pala akong period. So, napaka-helpful yan sa akin. Now, we have also additional squalene, avocado oil, borage oil. No? This is very good sa ating blood circulation, no? Ating heart, alright? It reduces also cholesterol, controls hypertension, and maganda talaga siya, no? Mag-maintain ng good and bad cholesterol inside our body. Lastly is the aloe vera, which promotes health and has beautifying effects. No? Maganda rin po yan sa ating digestion, no? Digestive system. Kanina pa ako nabubulgan. Alright, so this is the unique and integrated formulation of Fortier, which is already in 7th edition. So we are all excited really, no, to try this 7th edition. But for now, we have 6th edition pa lang po yung available. But sooner, no, 7th edition will be available for everyone. And I am so excited really to try that 7th edition. Now, moving forward, no, why do we need health supplement? Bakit ba natin kailangan ng food supplement? Number one is supplement, of course. Additional nutrients inside our body. Kasi not all the nutrients that our body needed, nakukuha natin sa kinakain natin. Tama? Now, prevention. No? If you want, kung wala ka pang sakit, much better to take food supplement. Much better to take Fortier. Kasi prevention is cheaper than cure. Alright? Then recovery, if you are undergoing chemotherapy, tapos kang chemotherapy, if you are recovering from surgery, operation, you need to take supplement para matulungan yung katawan mo to speed up recovery. And then detoxification, if you need cleansing sa gut, you need to take those food supplement. And of course, lower the 3 highs, high blood sugar, high blood cholesterol, high blood pressure. And ang masasabi ko po, any food supplement in the market, kahit ano po yan, no, in the market, these 5, lower the 3 high, supplement, prevention, recovery, detoxification, these 5, any food supplement in the market can give that to you. Yang 5 na yan. Pwede mo yan makuha into other supplement. But not these 3. Protect, repair, and regenerate. Okay, why? Because only live stem cell can repair, regenerate, and protect your cells. Yan po ang trabaho ng stem cells inside our body. Now, if you are taking food supplement na walang live stem cell, yung 5 lang po yung nagagawa. Wala siyang repair, walang regenerate. Kaya wala pong reverse aging. Alright? And ang good news, since Fortier has the live stem cell and has all the ingredients, active ingredients, itong 8 needs that our body, no, that our body needed, can give this to us, no? So one product can fulfill all these health supplement in our body. Good news ba yan? Okay? Now, this is the study, no? This is the report, no? Ang sinasabi rito, these are the leading cause of death in 2019. Ano ba yan? Puro tayo death. Pero global kasi ito. So number 1 pa rin ang cardiovascular diseases. Mas mataas pa rin, no, ang number of death because of heart, no? So kailangan nating alagaan yung ating heart kasi yan yung number 1 cause of death in the world. All right? So I am done with our product presentation for tonight. Sabi rito, crafting ingenuity and art with our soul. This is for 7th edition. Before I will share those individuals that already tried and tested our product, I would like to see muna, no, mag-stop share lang muna ako. I'd like to see baka may mga chat dito. Wala namang question. Okay. So I will move forward now to our testimonial. Of course, I will start with the testimonial of my husband. Okay, so ito yung paanong husband ko year 2020. No, that was August 2020. So he was candidate for amputation because of diabetes, nagkaroon ng maliit na sugat until hindi gumagaling, nagkaroon siya ng sobrang taas na lagnat, tapos nagkaroon na rin ng water retention yung paa niya. Kasi nga, hindi na po gumagaling because of mataas yung blood sugar niya, almost nagpo-400 siya so sobrang taas talaga. Kaya in my desperation, no, kahit yung tawag dito, yung panty liner na meron daw siyang antibacterial, ganyan, meron siyang iron. So sabi ng friend ko, itapal ko daw para gumaling at mabilis na matuyo yung sugat. So honestly, nilagay ko yan nung tulog yung asawa ko kasi ayaw niyang ipagalaw yung sugat. So, in a desperation na gusto ko siyang matulungan, tinapalan ko po ng panty liner. Okay? Pero bago naman po yan. Hindi ko nagamit. So, nung nilagay ko siya, no, hoping that makatulong na matuyo man lang, no? Sabi ko noon, ay pag ito nag-work, ito yung ipupush ko during the pandemic, di ba? Kasi you are really you are really looking for opportunities, or looking for any other source, no, for you to survive that time, survival talaga that time. Pero what happened, no, nung tinanggal namin kinabukasan, no, yung nadikitan na sugat nung liner, sumama yung laman, no, so lalong lumaki yung sugat. So dahil nainis sa akin yung asawa ko yan, hindi ko na napicturan, wala na. So wala kaming documentation because it was not really our intention or our plan, no, to be involved in this kind of advocacy food supplement. Pero when you have this really personal experience and a strong, no, yung experience mo with the product, no? So you keep on sharing na lang your experience. So after 2 months, yan na po yung paa ng husband ko. Hindi po naputol kasi nga he was nirekomenda siya nung doktor niya na putulin na lang para hindi lumala. So, yun, nakatipid kami. Hindi tipid, no? Kasi pag naputol yung paa niya, ala na, no? Hindi mo na pwedeng ibalik, or hindi ka pwede bumili ng paa. Pwede, pero ano na, di ba? Hindi na siya natural. So, hindi na normal yung magiging life ng husband ko. So I am so thankful and grateful kasi I've known this for year 2019 pa through our team lead Pavo engineer Mylene Amugis. Siya po yung nag-share sa akin ng 4th year. Now, moving forward, ito siya before, sobrang obese, no? Kaya, syempre, tinulungan niya rin yung sarili niya to really bounce back, no, doon sa health niya. And because nagkaroon siya ng magandang experience with the product, he was able also to share. Sinishare niya yung experience niya. Ayan yung ginagamit namin nun via Zoom lang kami before, like ngayon. And then, because of sharing, marami na kaming mga natulungan, no, to really matulungan yung kanilang mga health condition. So, naging Diamond 2-star po siya in V-Way. And from time to time, tinatawag din siya na maging speaker sa event in Riway office. Yan. So, dalawa po kami doing the advocacy of oral stem cell. Now, moving forward, this baby is baby Kali. Nandito yung kanyang lolo at lola, no, si Miss Madonna Norcio. Ako po niya ito, no, nagkaroon ng infection yung eye. And then, 2 beses na emergency. Nag-antibiotic pero nothing happens, lalo pang namaga. Tapos dumudugo na talaga yung eyes niya. Syempre kung ganyan yung condition nung bata, talagang mag-aalala ka. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, i-take nila yung Portier, no? Walang mawawala, walang mangyayaring hindi maganda. Mas may mangyaring hindi maganda pag hindi nila tinay ang Portier. Buti na lang po, they followed. So after 3 capsules overnight, no? Overnight result after taking 3 capsules only. Then by that time, doon nila nakita yung power po ng Portier. Now this one is one of our personal client, no, si Mr. Mark Louis Reyes from Malolos, Bulacan. Ang sakit niya is cardiomyopathy, chronic kidney disease, and now dialysis patient na po siya. Prior to taking Portier, ito po siya, no, sobrang talagang ang payat niya, sobrang hinang-hina. So, nag-start siya ng Portier noong December last year. So, 10 months na siya ngayon nagtitake ng Portier. From 24 tablets of maintenance meds down to 3 tablets na lang after 10 months of taking. So, do you think may effect po ang Portier sa kanya? Do you think natulungan po siya ng Portier? Yes, natulungan po siya ng Portier. Alright? And ngayon patuloy po siyang umiinom ng Portier. Now, ito po is si Miss Eileen Espanta. Gout and arthritis naman po ito. Pero very, very evident sa kanya yung tinatawag na reverse aging. So this is herself 6 months ago. Parang nanay po niya yung before photo niya, tama? So, ayan po yung nagagawa ng Portier since hindi na masakit yung tuhod, nakasmile na lang siya lagi. Tama? Now, this one is si Pastor Albert Lastimosa from Davao City. This is like my husband, may diabetes din po siya. Okay. Yan. So, for amputation na rin dapat yan, but because someone shared and someone cared about him, may nag-share po ng Portier, ayan po na yung paa niya. After 6 months of taking, naging keloids na lang po yung sugat. This one naman po is a stroke. Half body paralyzed, 5 years stroke na po yan sa US. Biruin mo, sa US po siya na stroke, pero hindi po siya doon gumaling. So after how many months, 6 months or more po siya nag-take, ayan na po siya. He can walk alone nang walang tungkod. Hindi ang tawag doon, hindi siya naka-wheelchair and enjoying the time and bonding sa apo niya. So that is really priceless. Now, this is Rolando Chong, which is meron siyang psoriasis. After 6 weeks of taking Portier, ayan. So, very evident and visible yung results sa kanya. This one naman is brain tumor si Edgar Estrella. Due na siya for operation, but because of his condition na sobrang hina, hindi siya makakain, pero still, vomit siya ng vomit. No, kailangan niyang magpalakas, no, before do the operation. Kaya, he took Portier para lang lumakas siya, no, para bumalik yung dati niyang lakas. And then, surprisingly, nung before the operation, nagpa-scan ulit siya, no, tiningnan ng doktor yung kung nasaan na yung tumor sa utak niya. And sabi ng doktor, ano pang ooperahan ko sa'yo? Wala ka ng tumor, magaling ka na. So, anong ininom mo? So, sinabi niya, Portier yung ininom niya. Now, ito po siya, yung picture niya before and after. Now, he is already 54 years old. Okay, now this is Nona Aquino. Nagkaroon siya ng ovarian cancer, tinapos niya pa rin yung kanyang chemotherapy, but then, nandun pa rin yung cancer inside his body, no? Yung tumor marking niya masyadong mataas. So, nag-take siya ng Portier, and then after 6 months, she was declared as cancer-free. And she is doing now our advocacy in Davao City. We have also doctors in the team, no? Si Dr. Ancina. So nakikita namin yan lagi in office sa Pasay. So madalas nandun siya, no? And she is an epidemiologist, but even though she is a doctor, may sakit din po yan. So, nagkaroon po siya ng lupus, spikes in liver enzymes, stomach ulcers, hypothyroidism. Nagkaroon din siya ng 5 tumors in the left breast. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen, even though she is a doctor, hindi po siya nagpa-opera, hindi siya nagpa-chemotherapy. Right? Kasi the first person that tried Portier in her family was her husband, no? Yung asawa po niya. Because nagkaroon naman sa problema sa prostate yung asawa niya. Kaya when they've learned, nagkaroon siya ng breast, no? Sa problem sa breast, pinag-take niya ng Portier for 1 year, no? 1 year niyang tinake yung Portier. And God is so good, clear, no? Clear po yung lahat ng laboratory niya after that. Now, ito naman si Doc Leo Olarte. He is an orthopedic surgeon and lawyer. So, diabetic siya and nag-i-inject siya ng insulin for 16 years. Napakatagal na po niyang nag-i-inject ng insulin. He was the past president of Philippine Medical Association. He was also the president of Stem Cell Association of the Philippines. Naging vice president din po siya ng Philippine Hospital Association. And siya lang naman po yung nag-i-inject ng stem cells sa St. Luke's. Sa mga tuhod ng mga pasyente niya dyan. Kasi orthopedic surgeon siya, di ba? Sa mga tuhod, kung kailangan ng stem cell, siya yung nag-i-inject. Kaya, sa kanya namin nalaman na yung 100 mg na live stem cell sa St. Luke's, pag nagpa-injection ka doon, it will cost you 50,000 pesos lang naman. 100 mg live stem cell injection sa'yo, 50,000 ang babayaran mo. No? So, dito sa Portier, no, yung 100 mg na live stem cell is nandun po sa isang capsule ng Portier. So, sobrang mura po ng Portier compared mo sa injectable na stem cell. Now, going back to this person, si Doc Leo Olarte, siya yung isa sa pinaka-challenging to convince na mag-take kasi syempre doktor yan, no? Di talaga sila basta-basta naniniwala into food supplement. But there are mga doctors that they support alternative medication as well. So, nag-take siya ng Portier after 6 months, hindi niya na kailangan na mag-inject ng insulin. So, natanggal na yung pag-i-inject niya yung insulin. What do you mean by that? Ibig sabihin, na-repair na po yung kanyang pancreas. So, yun po yung gagawin ng stem cell inside our body. If ano yung root cause, no? Bakit tumataas yung blood pressure? Bakit tumataas yung blood sugar? Yun yung i-address. Ano yung organ that is related to that, no? That is responsible for that sickness. Kunwari, lumalabo yung mata mo, ano yung reason? No? Siyempre, sa eyes, yun ang aayusin. Tama ba? So, ganun po yung gagawin ng stem cell inside our body. Gagawin niyang bata, lahat ng cells mo inside your body para yung katawan mo mismo, yung lalaban, yung magre-repair nung kailangan i-repair inside your body. Alright? Now, lastly, this is Miss Effie Galang from Quezon City. Nagkaroon siya ng breast cancer stage 3. Natanggal na po yung breast niya pero nag-relapse ng 26 tumors. Kaya sabi ng doktor, kapag hindi ka nagpa-chemo, you will be only given 6 months or less than 6 months to live. Pero even though he is nurse, hindi siya nagpa-chemo. In fact, tinanggap niya na po yung kanyang destiny, yung fate niya, baka dito na talaga ako. Kasi nga, yung father niya namatay din due to cancer. So yung tatay niya, since siya yung nurse, siya yung nag-alaga, nakita niya paano nahirapan, nung kinimo, all in all. Kaya sabi niya, nung nalaman niya na meron siyang cancer, kahit anong mangyayari, hindi ako magkikimo. Alright? So buti na lang, there is someone nag-share ng Portier sa kanya. Kaya yung 26 tumors, nung nag-take siya ng Portier, in just 1 month po, nawala po yung tumor. Walang chemotherapy, and now, after 7 years, she is still alive, very, very young, healthy, and cancer-free. If you want to see in person, no, in flesh, si Miss Effie Galang, yan, nasa office yan lagi. No? Lagi po yan nasa office. Lagi namin yan nakakausap. So she is one of the pioneer of Freeway International. So I think my presentation is done. So health is like money. We never have a true idea of its value until we lose it. All right. So thank you so much, everyone. If you have questions, this is the perfect time, no, to unmute and i-address natin yung mga question na yan. All right. Do you have questions? I will be willingly, no, patiently